Good morning, Year 5s. It is Wednesday of our final week of Year 5, and I promise you, it is July. But the weather for the past month has maybe made us think otherwise. I cannot remember the last time I sat in my garden. But anyway, on to our do now first. Remember, it's one from any point in Year 5. I think this is probably a home learning one. And just had a look, and it's actually should be quite a straightforward one for everybody. So the first one's, what's the difference between a number and an integer? Well, a number is, like 19. Integer is the digit, the number within it. Okay. How many decimal places are there in day-to-day money? Well, there's 2, because you can have £99. There are 2 places, so it's 2 decimal places. And then the final one, so that, those 2 are more verbal answers. And the last one, how do you find the product? You multiply it. Okay, so they're relatively straightforward ones there. More general knowledge of your maths there. 54 is a Roman numeral. Well, 50 is L, and 4 is 1 before 5. Oh, no, I blank then. XX, well, that's 10, 20, 1, 2, 22. And then 244, well, we got 200, so 2 hundreds. 40, which is 10 before 50. So 10 before 50. 4, which is 1 before 5. Make sure that doesn't catch you out. I love a Roman numeral. Now, we should be nailing these as well now, because to be fair, we've done quite a lot of fractions during lockdown. The people in the hub seemed really confident with this, which was really good to see. So, 2 3/5 is how many fifths? Well, 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 fifths is your 2 wholes. Add 3 extras, 13 fifths. What's 15 quarters as a mixed fraction? So how many 4s go in 15? 4, 8, 12. That's 3. 4, 13, 40, 15. 3 3/4. And then 8 tenths and 4 tenths. Well, the tenths doesn't change. So that's going to be 12 tenths or 1 and 2 tenths. Or you can halve both of those. 1 and a fifth. Lovely. Excellent. That was your do now this morning. That was a bit quick, wasn't it? Right. And then your task today is simply converting. So you've got some kilograms and grams there. You've got kilometres and metres here. So my big tip at the start, you've got to remember you're dividing and timesing by 10, 100, and 1,000. So are you moving it to the left, or are you timesing or dividing? So nothing that should really... This is all stuff we've done in the past. I do like question 6 though, I have to say. So you've got to start thinking about what halves and quarters. This is remembering your number patterns, remember. 3 6, well, that's 3 is half of 6, 12 is half of 24. So, some of them will look really weird, but just stop and think about them for a minute. 20 20ths, well, what's that mean when both numbers are the same in a fraction? So, this is the tasty question. But just, these ones here, a tenth. Well, what? Break a kilometre into tenths, what's one of them? 3 tenths, because then you can work out 3 tenths. 1/5. Well, 1/5 is 0.2. It breaks 100 into 20 pieces. So have a little look at those. As you go through, if you get to some parts and you go, I really do not understand what I'm doing here, well, then have a look at the answer and see if you can work out how to get the answer. Okay, it's not about can you do it or can you not do it. It's trying to help you to keep ticking over. So if you don't know how you do these ones, flick to the answer, look at it and go, right, okay, I need to get that answer. How can I get it? Don't just go, can't do it, and shove it to one side. Have a little look at the answer and see what you can do. Right, good luck with that, guys.